Welcome to the Mooncoin, guys. Most of the people have asked me to do a Bitcoin update, so here I am. We can do a Bitcoin update. Let's see the chart. Okay guys, as you can see here, I am in 4-hour candlestick. Okay, I am in 4-hour candlestick right now. I think my chart is quite messy, but don't think about it. Just take the update. Okay, right now we are respecting, you can see guys. Okay, right now the market is around around $67,719 price tag. Okay, right now the market is actually respecting to this demand zone. You can see we have marked that demand zone. Okay, so it is respecting to this demand zone, and you can see the previously also it has respected a lot. Okay, so guys, there is a pattern that I have caught right now. You can see here, once this week is happen, okay, once this week is happen, what has happened guys? Yes, there is a stop hunt, then the market go down. Okay, here also once this week is happen, the market went down, wicked down. Okay, here also I expect some kind of a wick, okay, to this Elliott wave third wave. Okay, then it could go down to the fourth wave. If it couldn't hold this fourth wave, most probably it will come down, and it will take another week to the this demand zone as the Elliott wave count fifth. But I think this is actually in a premium zone. That means it is actually better to have a drawback, pull back towards the downside, because guys, it will be healthy for Bitcoin, I think. Okay, so anyway, we are going really nice in forming patterns. You can see triangles are there. Okay, yeah, so a lot of patterns are there, and I have marked Elliott wave also. There is a Elliott wave V count also there. But guys, what you have to accept is the Bitcoin should really come some kind of down. Okay, it should go down a little bit. I think most probably it could come to this 62,724 price tag if it like this. Okay, like this scenario, if it couldn't hold this 62,724 price tag, guys, it would come more towards downside. 58,383 price tag stands for Bitcoin. Okay, once it couldn't hold this support of 62,724 price tag. Okay, we have to break through this in order to come to this price tag. Okay, otherwise it won't just come boom like 58,383. Okay, it will gradually come, and respecting these support levels. Okay, so guys, that is the update that I have to give you. Anyway, right now the Bitcoin is I will delete this one. Yeah, Bitcoin is right now they're expecting to this price tag 67,719. I think it could come down to this price level, and it could go up because this is support, but it couldn't. If it couldn't hold, then it will come again to 58,383. Okay, so guys, this is what we are looking for in the golden zone. 45,185 price tag is our long-term target. Okay, I will go into daily candles. So guys, the worst case scenario is the Bitcoin even could dump to the price of like this, the price of 45,185 price tag. Okay, 45,185 price tag. But in order to happen like that, it has to break to this support first, 62,000 price level, then 58,000 price level, then again 54,000 price level. Okay, if it couldn't hold these levels, guys, yes, most probably according to the Fibonacci, it could come to the 1.618 our golden ratio. That means 45,185 price tag. Okay, yes, I am bearish for Bitcoin. In long term, I am bullish for Bitcoin because there is a Elliott wave count. The fifth wave count is still there is to fulfill for Bitcoin. Okay, so I am long termly, though this is happening to the 45,000 as my prediction, whether it happen or not, anyway, long term prediction is Bitcoin towards 120k price tag. Okay, but short termly we can come to the 62,000, 58,000. Even if it couldn't hold 62,000 and 58,000, then it would come 54,000. Even it couldn't hold the 54,000 price tag, then even it could come more likely to the 45,185 price tag according to the Fibonacci as well. Okay, I think you got a good update regarding Bitcoin, guys. See you in the next video. Thanks, bye bye.